task page. The task page gives description of what the students are going to achieve by completing the web quest. It describes the goal of the web quest. As you can view, we are now on the task page of the web quest changes in demand. The tasks are clearly set out. As the user of the web quest, you will be required to describe or find out information through various Word documents, web pages, videos about the topic of changes in demand. The task that you will follow includes to watch the YouTube videos and make short notes on difference between changes in demand and change in quantity demand and the determinants of demand. Participate in online discussion by logging on to the recommended website. Download the Word videos and complete the worksheet by using the information gathered from the YouTube videos and online discussion. All this has to be carried out individually as you will be assessed individually. So as you can view on this title on this page, the students are given a step-by-step description of what they are going to do while they are working through this web quest.